So I know a lot of you are here today because you want to know exactly how to make profit from the foreign exchange market, how you can become a Forex trader, and to know exactly what Forex trading is all about. Forex trading did not start today. Forex trading, I'm not the one creating Forex. I am just a Forex trader and a teacher. And Forex actually is a world largest market whereby over $5.1 trillion is being traded on a daily basis. And the foreign exchange market is a place for currency exchange whereby you exchange one currency against another. The foreign exchange market is a decentralized market that runs from Monday to Fridays. And the people trading Forex are banks, financial institutions, and retail traders. And retail traders are people like you and I. So banks, as you see out there, like UBA, most of the banks you're going to see, they do trade Forex to make profit. Financial institutions will also partake into Forex trading. Governments and institutions will also partake into Forex trading, maybe doing the doing of international business, international trade aid donation and all the like. So automatically they will have to convert their currency to one of the currency which they want to purchase a good or service in their country. If you have been able to travel out of your country, you will have to notice that you may have changed your currency to another. If you have bought goods and services online, you will have to convert your currency to that currency where that good and services is coming from so that you could be able to buy goods and services in that country. So many of us here may have partaked in Forex trading without even knowing that we are trading or we are taking part in the foreign exchange market. So the foreign exchange market is there, it will always be there. The Forex market will always exist as far as money exists, as far as people begin to move from one place to another, as far as people do international trade or businesses, the foreign exchange market will always be there. As stated in Ecclesiastes uh, 13, that you should invest in foreign trade. And if you invest there, one of these days you will make a profit. So invest your time, your effort to learn forex trading, because if you do, you are going to make profit out of it. So, what is the way forward if truly you wish to do forex trading? What is the way forward? How can you do it? How can you go about it? To go about it, first and foremost, you need a teacher. You need to learn a skill, a forex trading skill. So you have to study the business. You need to understand how it operates, how it is being done, so that you can probably do that same business. And to trade Forex, you need time and effort, as I keep saying, to learn the proper skills and to practice, because practice will make you a perfect trader. To trade Forex, the first thing you need is adequate knowledge on how to analyze the currency market. The second thing you need is a capital to start the business. And the third thing you need is a brokerage service. A brokerage service will stand between you and the central bank. When I talk about Forex trading, we say it's a currency market whereby we trade currencies, we buy and sell different currency. The question you should be asking Ronnie is that, how do we then trade the Forex? Do we trade the currency? So this market is not a physical market. It's not like you take $1 to the bank to exchange to CFA. It's not like you take $2 to take to the bank to exchange into CFA. So that's not how Forex is done. Forex is not done like locally in a physical term. Forex trading is done in an online market, which is also a platform for the exchange. So you see the digital and the virtual currency, not the physical currency. So what you do is that you are going to see the currencies and you will buy and sell them. So to trade Forex, you need two currency pairs to be able to trade. So automatically, you should be converting one currency to another. So what they do in the foreign exchange market is that They will take currencies and pair together to form what we call currency pairs. For example, on this chart, this up here is a currency pair of the euro from European Union and the United States dollars. They will form a currency pair. So you are going to have many currencies that will be paired together to form a currency pair in the market. And what we will do in that virtual market is to be clicking a buy and a sell button for that currency pair. But how? We will do it with the aid of an application called the MetaTrader 4 that you can download from Play Store. When you have this application, you'll be able to see the different currencies there. You'll see the buy and the sell buttons, and you will see your capital that you have deposited with the brokerage in that application. So when you make profit, you see the profit you're making. When you lose money, you see the money you're losing. So Forex is not just a heaven, but also like any other business, you can lose money, you can make money. So that's why a lot of people are there saying, oh, you lose money in Forex. Forex is a scam, because they don't want to learn. They don't want to learn. For example, how many people are in the group you are on WhatsApp? We have such group like 50, and how many people are willing to sacrifice to come and learn about Forex? Some will join the group, and you are there trying to communicate information with them. They quit the group. They don't have patience to read. They don't have patience to learn, but they want to make money like Dangote. You want to make money in foreign exchange market. You don't want to learn anything. You don't want to be patient to see any information, to read any information, but you want to make money. It's not so. If you want to trade Forex, if you are here to trade Forex with Ronnie, know the following things. You should be able to get up at night at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. to attend my classes. I don't teach during the day because I am a Forex trader, not just a teacher. So I do trade the market to make profit. So I'm not just there to teach people, I'm there to also trade the market. So during the day, I'm trading. And early in the morning, I teach people at 4 o'clock, 5:30 sometimes, 5 o'clock sometimes. And this, you should be willing to get up at that time, sit in front of your computer and get some knowledge. You also need to be patient to take the 3 months course. It will take you approximately 3 months. Some people will tell you it will take you just 1 week, 2 weeks. It's a lie. For you to master this thing called Forex trading, you need at least 4 months, which I will teach you for 3 months and give you an additional service for 1 month to perfect your skills. And these are only the people I admit in my academy, those that are willing to take my course. When I do my app on Mimimefo Info, nobody have ever come and tell you that I've studied there and the services are not good. Each and everyone that has come across my services will appreciate. So I just want to make you know that you are at the right place at the right time, but you must be determined to follow me. In a trading community, I can proudly say that Bell Forex Academy has trained over 200 traders in Cameroon. So here you can see the different Bell Forex Academy groups on WhatsApp. You see, we don't have one groups. This is all for Bell Forex Academy. It's not just one group. We have trained a good number of people and we keep training them. And I can tell you we have successfully trained at least 200 young Cameroonians. And nobody, you see, this is a huge list of the students we have trained, around 200 of them, a huge community of students. And in this community of students, you are going to see the way they analyze their chart. They trade on daily basis. They trade on daily basis. Just to make you guys understand that it's real. And if you are willing to learn Forex, I will take you to the level that you will want. So guys, you are going to love Forex trading with me. So let me take you deep again back to business. So you'll be amazed with the knowledge you are going to gain. So let's go back to business. So how then do we trade Forex, guys? How do we trade Forex? How do we go on trading Forex? You will first need to understand that the Forex market is a platform whereby you exchange one currency against another. A currency is paired with another, and the exchange rate is being plotted. So what happens in the foreign exchange market is that you must have two currencies where you will buy and sell those currencies based on the fluctuation of the exchange rate. So can you guys remember when you go to the bank, they say $1 is equals to 550. You come on Monday, they tell you $1 is equals to 560 francs. You come another day, they tell you that $1 is equals to 580 francs. Ask yourself that why is the exchange rate changing? Why is that the exchange rate is keep changing? It is because it's actually forex trading, exchange of currency. So the exchange rate will never, the exchange rate will never be the same. So what you're going to have is that you're going to discover that the exchange rate will keep fluctuating, and one unit of a particular currency will be equal to a particular unit of another currency. So because this exchange rate keep fluctuating, we the forex trader take advantage of this and make profit out of that exchange rate fluctuation. So where we make our money is at the level of the exchange rate fluctuation, where the exchange rate fluctuates. That's where we capitalize as. I'm sorry for the bad connection, but I'm back. I'm back in. So guys, let's continue. I'm back. So I'm sorry about for the bad connection. I'm not the one making it, but it's our country, not me. So let's ride on, guys. Thank God we are back. Okay. So what happened is that because of the exchange rate fluctuation, we capitalize on that fact that will come tomorrow, $1 will be equals to this, it will be equals to that, it will be equals to this, so that we can make profit out of this fluctuation. So what we do is that we will study the exchange rate of that particular currency pair. And when we anticipate a rise in exchange rate, we are going to buy the currency. And when we anticipate a drop in exchange rate, please, are you guys getting me clearly, please? If you are getting me clearly, just type 1. If you are getting me clearly, type 1. If you are getting me clearly, type 1. If you are getting me clearly, type 1. Thank you, guys. Thank you. 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 Okay, let's continue. So what I'm trying to say is that when you anticipate a rise in exchange rate, you actually buy. When you anticipate a drop in the exchange rate of that currency, you sell. So for you to actually know if the exchange rate will rise or drop, then you have to do certain analysis. You have to analyze the past exchange rate to be able to predict the future exchange rate to buy and sell. And also, you actually do this on daily basis to make money. So I'm going to show you exactly what is being done. For example, let's take about the United States dollars and the CFA franc. That is your currency in Cameroon. So the Cameroon currency and the United States dollars is also being exchanged in the FX market. And here in the FX market, you are going to see that this is a currency pair, United States dollars and the CFA, that is from the Central African Republic or Central African Economic Zone. So these currencies can be traded. So on this chart that you see like this is a platform. This is like the market. This, what you are seeing on my screen, is a market. It's a virtual market for current exchange. This is where we analyze the chart. We analyze the currency pair and their fluctuation. And you are going to see something on your chart. These things that you see on your chart, this, they call it a candlestick chart. That means what? This is the plotting of the fluctuation of exchange rate. That means when the exchange rate is rising or dropping, it is being plotted with this bars. It's like you are plotting something, the fluctuation of something with bars. So there are other means of plotting this exchange rate fluctuation. It could be line chart, bar chart, and you see you have different colors. It means that these bars can appear after a particular time period. You could decide that you have a new bar to plot the fluctuation of the exchange rate after 1 hour. And now, after 1 hour, a new bar will appear. After 2 hours, a new bar appear. You are going to learn about all of this. And when you see a red bar, it means that during the previous hour, if the bar is a 1 hour bar, that means during the previous 1 hour, the exchange rate was instead dropping. That's why you have a red bar. And if the exchange rate was rising during the previous 1 hour, you are going to have a green bar. So the exchange rate was rising during the previous 1 hour, you have a green bar. If the exchange rate was dropping, you are going to have a red bar. But you don't buy or sell based on the colors of the bar. You buy or sell the market based on demand and supply, which you are going to learn how to identify them using the fluctuation of the exchange rate. So when I mean here that you are going to buy or sell currency pairs on this chart, I means that at any time T, this is a currency pair. You have the United States dollars and the CFA. So the first currency is called the base currency, and the second currency, which is the CFA, is called the quote currency. It means that the base currency, 1 unit of the base currency, is equals to dash unit of the quote currency, which is plotted at this end. So at any time T, 1 unit of the base currency will be equals to the plotting, all this what has been plotted here. So we can see that this is exactly where the candlestick is right now. This is where it is. And as the exchange rate is dropping, they are plotting with new candlesticks. They are plotting. They are plotting. If it's rising, they plot, they plot, they plot, they plot. So it is this plotting that will permit us to have a historical data about the exchange rate of a particular currency pair so that we'll be able to analyze that past information to be able to predict the future. Okay, so what you are going to find here, for example, it means $1 now in the foreign exchange market is equals to what? This red is being marked here in red. Is equals to 563 francs CFA. That's the meaning. And as it's dropping, you see that the exchange rate will be dropping until maybe you one day see that $1 is equals to 552 or 546. It rises and it drops. So if you like, you type on Google as I'm talking to you, type that $1 is equals to how much? They will tell you that $1 is equals to 563 francs CFA as I'm talking to you now. Yes. So the exchange rate of all these currencies that you see is being gotten from the foreign exchange market. So when you are sleeping, other people are there analyzing the market and taking decision over the world economy. Understanding the exchange. So I can say that in 1 week time, $1 in Cameroon may be equals to 550 francs. I'm not talking, I will be talking based on my analysis. And if I see and anticipate a drop in exchange rate, I sell. I can say that I foresee that by December, $1 will be equals to 600. It is because of the analysis I've made, and I may place a buy on daily basis. So now in the foreign exchange market, you have different type of traders. We have day traders, scalpers, we have position traders. That means you can open a trade now and close within few minutes. You are a scalper. You can open a trade now and close within the day. You are a day trader. You can open a trade now and close within the week. You are a swing trader. You can open a trade now and close after some months. You are a position trader. So in the foreign exchange market, you will understand your personality, how you would like to trade. Is a flexible market. So the things we'll be doing in the FX market, we will be analyzing currency pairs to buy and sell them to make profit. And this profit made can be withdrawn the same moment. Your capital can be withdrawn the same day you deposit. There is no condition. And you can start trading Forex with $50, $20. Yes. And in the foreign exchange market, they give you the possibility to use high risks, low risks to decide how much you want to make from your capital. If you want to risk more, that means you can lose more. If you want to risk you small, manage your risks so that you don't lose your money completely. You need to follow a risk management scheme, which will teach how to do that. We have a professional course that will cover all aspects of Forex trading. We are going to teach you how to operate the application. We are going to teach you approximately everything you need to become a successful trader, all along with Bell Forex Academy, giving you free books. I want to guarantee to you that you will not find somewhere the way they will teach you Forex the way we do here for 80,000 francs. Never. I mean, never. Where I study Forex, I can still show some of you if you want. My fee for Forex trading is good. Somebody have gone to the internet and checked, and is coming back to tell me that $1 is equals to 563 francs that he has checked on the internet, and that's what is on the internet. Just to tell you that the foreign exchange market is real. That is where we decide exchange rate. We study the exchange rate and we make money out of that fluctuation. So imagining you having your office on your smartphone. If you have a question, write in the message box. I will not give the possibility for unmuting. If you have a question, type the question on in the message box and I'll answer the question. If you have any question, just type it down. So, or you raise your hand. Raise your hand, look at the participant button, click on it, see your name, and click raise hand up, and I will sit and give you the possibility to unmute yourself and talk. So, guys, imagining yourself doing a business whereby you don't need anybody, you don't need to interact with anybody, you don't need to sell anything to anybody. All you have is your capital, your smartphone, and your computer, and the technical know-how to analyze the market. Is that not great? A business that goes down will not affect you. Nothing will affect you. What will affect you except you are sick? That's the only thing. So why not give it a chance? And I'm telling you, where I study Forex, I study Forex, I pay 600,000 francs CFA, close to $1,300. And they are still teaching Forex like that. But people, we come in collaboration with Mimimefo, and we are helping young Cameroonians to be independent. People will come and tell us that we are scammers. We are this, we are that, without even knowing us. So I want to encourage each and every one of you that if you have a chance, if you have the means, please study Forex. So if you have any question, just bring it down here and I will answer based on the way the messages are coming. Okay, you can use your smartphone to trade. You can use your phone to analyze the market. But for more efficiency, with time, you will need a computer for more efficiency. Normally, you trade most on your Android phone because you can easily take your phone along with you anywhere. So you analyze, if you want to analyze, you can analyze on your computer to have a bigger view so that you can view the market easily. And then you place trade on the MT4 in your phone. So you place the trade in the application that you have in your phone because it's more flexible. Okay, it's more flexible so that you can carry your phone along and be looking at your trade. So I do place trade mostly with my phone. That's why we see most of the screenshot we show on the profit we have made, we screenshot it from the phone. Okay, this another person, this is Thierry. Thierry is saying that he has checked in some academy and they are very expensive. So some people think that 80,000 is a lot of money to pay and study Forex. Just the books we are going to give you. And when I give you the books, if you like, go and check on Amazon. You will see that the cost of the books that we have provided to you is not less than 150,000 francs CFA. But I bought the books my own time, but I'm giving it today free of charge. Why? Because I make money from the market, not just from teaching you. And I'll be happy to see people, friends from Cameroon, when I'm passing somewhere in Cameroon, they tell me that this man helped me, this man teach me Forex, and I'm actually feeding my family with it. That is what I want. So we can cut off unemployment. We don't automatically have to be looking for a job. You don't need any certificate to study Forex. You don't need to be a doctor. I have medical doctors in my group doing trading Forex, engineers, teachers, people having university degree. So nobody has, you don't need any diploma to study Forex. Normally, you don't need that much of a computer to study Forex. It's not like you need a lot of computers. I just have, maybe you may see a lot of computer on my screen, on my DP, is because I may have those computers because I have the means to buy most those computer. But I started just with my phone and a simple computer. So you do at your level. The best leverage to use, you can use 1:500. I thank you so much, guys, for coming. It was a wonderful time with you. You guys, it's really massive. So those raising up their hand, I may not give you the possibility to talk. I will give Bless 1 minute. Bless, go ahead with your question. Unmute yourself. Bless, you have not up to 1 minute, 30 seconds. Bless, unmute yourself. If you cannot, I'll give JJ the possibility. JJ, go ahead with your question. Unmute yourself. Go ahead, be fast.
Okay, thank you very much, Prof, for the information you've given. I want to appreciate for actually taking out time, maybe due to your busy schedule, to inform us on what is happening. So thank you. I want to ask, based on the analysis you've made, I don't know if we have to do other analysis or it's just based on the analysis, like the technical analysis. I don't know if there are other like basis for analysis, or we're just going to be based on technical analysis, like you've explained using the
No,
Japanese
you
candlesticks.
actually need fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis will deal with news, you check the news before you trade. So you have to do with fundamentals and technical analysis.
Okay,
And there
thank
are
you. What
different
about
techniques for technical
sentiments?
analysis. Your sentiment also matters. Sentiment will come with
Okay,
experience. So there are certain things
okay,
that an experienced trader will just look at the way the market is playing now and he understand everything.
okay,
But you as a beginner, you
okay,
need time to understand many things. So
okay, thank you.
Sammy, unmute yourself and go ahead. 1 second, Sammy. Just click on your mic, unmute yourself, Sammy, and go ahead. Okay. All the hands up. I may not take all of you. We have just few seconds. I've taken most of the questions via messages. And there is another class at 5 p.m. on filming, which you can also come. And if you have a possibility to talk with me directly, it will be great. You can always WhatsApp with your inquiries. Classes start from October 1st. Registration is ongoing already, and we have had a good number of students. Thanks you guys a lot for your registrations. We appreciate and we will not let you down, never. After my classes, I always bless some people like, okay, little reduction for those that came and they want to pay their fee immediately. It will always happen. So if you want to pay your fee immediately, you can inbox me. I could see if I can help one way or the other. I wish you guys a wonderful Sunday. See you again at 5 p.m. GMT plus 1 Cameroon time. God bless you all. Bye-bye.